10 years from now, you'll remember this moment. You'll either thank yourself or regret ignoring it. In your 20s, you're building wealth or building regret. Over 70% lose 100,000 plus before turning 40. And most don't even know it's happening. Today, we'll expose the worst money mistakes. Mistakes quietly draining your future without you noticing. If you avoid them now, you change everything. Your 20s feel like freedom. First job, first paycheck, first real independence. But freedom without discipline is a trap. Every financial choice you make right now matters. Because your 20s set the foundation for life. The right moves can make you wealthy forever. The wrong ones, they lock you into struggle. Mistake 1. Living beyond your means. The first mistake is lifestyle inflation. You get a raise, you upgrade your life. New clothes, better apartment, fancier dinners, expensive trips. It feels like progress, but it's financial quicksand. You're spending future wealth on temporary comfort. Instead, cap your lifestyle and save the difference. Live like you're broke even when you're not. Mistake 2. Ignoring investing early. Most people delay investing until they earn more. That delay can cost hundreds of thousands. Why? Compound interest works best with time. Investing $300 monthly at 22 becomes 1M plus. Starting at 32 cuts that nearly in half, and every year you wait is money lost forever. Mistake 3. Treating credit like free money. Credit cards aren't free cash, they're debt traps. High interest rates quietly eat your income alive. A $2,000 balance can take years to clear. Use credit only for what you can repay immediately. Build credit responsibly, don't drown in minimum payments. Mistake 4. No emergency fund. One unexpected bill can destroy your finances. Without savings, you rely on debt to survive. Start with a $1,000 emergency cushion. Then aim for 3-6 months of expenses. This single step prevents most financial disasters. Mistake 5. Not learning money skills. Your 20s are for building financial literacy. If you avoid learning now, you'll pay later. Read books, watch videos, take free finance courses. Learn budgeting, investing, taxes, and negotiation. Financial ignorance is the costliest mistake of all. Mistake 6. Chasing status over stability. In your 20s, appearances feel important. Fancy cars, brand names, luxury gadgets. But impressing others won't pay your future bills. Stop buying things to look successful. Real success is freedom, not expensive labels. Mistake 7. Staying in a low-paying job too long. Loyalty doesn't always pay in corporate life. Many employers give minimal raises over time. Switching jobs strategically can boost your salary fast. Don't let comfort cost you growth and wealth. Mistake 8. Not starting a side income. Relying on one paycheck is risky. A side hustle builds skills, income, and security. Your 20s give you energy and time. Use them to create multiple income streams. Mistake 9. Ignoring health and wellness. Poor health is a hidden financial time bomb. Medical bills can wipe out years of savings. Exercise, eat well, and get regular checkups. Healthy habits now save huge costs later. Mistake 10. Thinking you have plenty of time. Your 20s feel endless, but time moves fast. Every year you waste compounds your missed opportunities. Start now. Even small moves change your trajectory. Your 20s decide your 40s and beyond. Avoid these mistakes, and you'll build lifelong freedom. Fall into them, and you'll pay for decades. Start today, Invest, save, live below your means. The sooner you act, the bigger your future. If you found this valuable, share it now. Someone you know might need this more than you.